Hey there, financial savvy viewers. Ever spotted a charge on your American Express card that just doesn't sit right? Maybe it's a fraudulent transaction, a billing error, or something you didn't authorize. Don't worry. I'm here to walk you through how to dispute it step by step. This process is straightforward and can help you get your money back quickly. Let's dive in. First off, understand that disputing a charge with American Express is a consumer protection feature designed to resolve issues fairly. Before you start, gather your evidence, receipts, emails, or any proof related to the transaction. This will strengthen your case. Step 1. Log into your American Express account. You can do this via the website or the mobile app. If you don't have an account, download the app or visit Amex.com and sign in with your credentials. Step 2. Head to the Transactions tab. Scroll through your recent activity until you find the charge in question. American Express makes this easy with detailed lists. Step 3. Once you've located the transaction, look for a Dispute Charge or Report an Issue button. Click it to begin the process. Step 4. You'll be asked to provide details about the dispute. Explain why you're challenging the charge. Options might include fraud, non-delivery of goods, or incorrect amount. Be clear and concise, and attach any supporting documents if possible. Step 5. Submit your dispute form. American Express will review it and typically respond within 30 to 90 days. While you wait, monitor your account for updates and keep records of everything. A few pro tips. Act fast. Most disputes need to be filed within 60 days of the charge. If you have questions, contact Amex customer service directly. Remember, this process protects you, so don't hesitate to use it. There you have it. You've now got the tools to handle unwanted charges like a pro. If this helped, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more money-saving tips. Drop your experiences in the comments below. Let's learn together. Thanks for watching and take care.